Yeah.
Good, you? I didn't really hit it.
Let's get the next wolf. Yeah. Oh. You okay, dude?
Yeah. That's a yard sale. I kind of missed it. I guess I chickened out a bit.
I'm gonna watch it later.
Yeah, that's the next landing spot.
Don't want to come crashing into you.
Impale yourself on that ski. Uh-oh, rock.
Ooh.
On down the side.
What do you think, Roy?
Just hit it where I hit it, Roy.
Or don't hit it. Or hit it.
Nope, I'm doing this.
Nice.
There you go, Joe.
We're gonna shred the yard.
Shred it.